Hi, it's Tasha with WTI, and this is an amazing mouse.
And this mouse is just wonderful as far as comfort is concerned. It fits perfectly into my hand. It glides and is so smooth when I use it. I'll show you a demonstration here. Just how easy it is. It doesn't get stuck or anything. It has perfect connectivity. You can do a smooth scroll. You can also have a rough clicking scroll if you prefer, which I like. It also works with 3 devices, so it's Bluetooth and it's so easy to connect to any device via Bluetooth. This mouse is really great as I was able to write easily on my whiteboard and I just love it. So if you're looking for a mouse, I would say there's no need to look any further.
This is a high quality mouse for anyone who works on a computer, and I definitely recommend it. That's my point of view.